Mount St. Helens is an active stratovolcano located in Skamania County, Washington. It is part of the Cascade Range that extends from Northern California to Canada. Mount St. Helens is the most recent volcano to erupt in the Cascade Range, with the last eruption taking place in May 1980. On the morning of May 18, 1980, Mount St. Helens experienced a massive lateral blast which triggered a landslide that left a huge crater on the north face of the mountain. The landslide was powerful enough to travel at speeds as high as 150 miles per hour, and sent a massive column of ash into the air. According to USGS reports, the landslide generated an earthquake measuring 5.1 on the Richter scale. The eruption released an estimated 24 megatons of thermal energy, making it the most destructive volcanic eruptions in US history. The blast killed 57 people, destroyed over 200 homes, and completely wiped out 250 square miles of old-growth forests. The intense heat from the blast also caused the ground temperatures near the crater to reach over 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit. The resulting ashfall was able to reach 12 states across the US and even had an effect on global climate. The eruption caused a toxic mud and debris flow, also known as a lahar, which traveled down the side of the mountain at speeds of up to 65 miles per hour. The lahar destroyed bridges, homes, and railroads, and caused extensive damage to the Columbia River. The USGS estimates that the total economic impact of the eruption was around $1.1 billion. After the eruption, the federal government established the Mount St. Helens National Volcanic Monument to protect the area of destruction and to encourage scientific research. The monument now encompasses over 110,000 acres of land and is visited by over 1 million visitors each year. Mount St. Helens continues to be monitored closely for seismic activity, and the USGS has declared it to be an active volcano. A new lava dome emerged within the caldera in 2004, and in 2008, the mountain experienced a series of small earthquakes. Today, the area around the mountain offers amazing views of the surrounding wilderness as well as the volcanic crater. Mount St. Helens is a reminder of the power of nature and an awe-inspiring example of the strength of the earth. Its powerful 1980 eruption changed the landscape forever, but the danger of the mountain still remains. There are still signs warning of potential future eruptions, and the USGS continues to advise caution when visiting the site. The destruction caused by the 1980 eruption is still easy to see in the form of charred trees, collapsed bridges, and the sheer size of the crater. The native flora and fauna of the area have been slowly returning, and the ecosystem is in the process of recovery. Though the effects of the eruption are still being felt today, the overall impact has been lessened by the testimony of those who experienced it firsthand. The story of Mount St. Helens eruption is one of tragedy, resilience, and rebirth.